functions that were supposed to happen, but only Chairperson Madam was felicitated. This was missed out upon. Apologies. So before she gives her speech, we are proud, we are honored to felicitate her. Madam, if you could please say a few words.
As Swami Vivekananda said, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. And this has been our guiding light. Respected chief guest, honorable dignitaries, secretary sir, chairperson ma'am, esteemed parents, dedicated teachers, and my dear students. Good evening to one and all. Today, as I stand before you on this proud and joyous occasion of our annual day celebration, my heart is filled with pride, gratitude, and deep emotion. This stage does not merely host performances. It reflects days of dedication, countless dreams, silent perseverance, and the collective spirit of Lake Point School. Going down memory lane, we began our journey on 5th of May 1995 with a simple yet powerful vision to create an institution where education goes beyond the textbooks, where values work hand in hand, where every child is nurtured with care and confidence. From a modest beginning, we have grown into a co-educational institution from nursery to class 12, standing strong as a center of learning and character building. We firmly believe that the true education builds not only intelligence but also character. And this belief is beautifully captured in our ancient wisdom too. Knowledge gives humility, humility leads to worthiness, worthiness brings prosperity, and prosperity leads to righteousness. And finally, righteousness leads to happiness. As I look back on our journey, I feel deeply emotional because every classroom tells a story of growth, every corridor holds memories. Every student who has passed through our gates carries a part of Lake Point School within them. Education is not just about the academic excellence, but about shaping individuals with character, compassion, creativity, as well as courage. While our students have brought laurels consistently to the school through commendable achievements, we are equally proud of their growth in leadership, life skills, sports, art, and social responsibilities. And this success would not have been possible without our dedicated teachers, who are the true pillars of our institution. Their patience, passion, and tireless efforts transform classrooms into spaces of inspiration. I express my heartfelt gratitude to each member of our teaching and non-teaching staff for their unwavering commitment. Dear parents, thank you for entrusting us with your most precious possession, that is your children. Your faith, cooperation, and constant support strengthen our mission and inspire us to strive towards greater heights. Parents are a child's first teacher and a lifelong guide and mentor. The values of honesty, empathy, perseverance are first learned at home. When parents and teachers work together, learning becomes more meaningful. The foundation you lay shapes not just the academic success, but by the human beings your children grow up to be. And last but not the least, my beloved students, the heart and soul of Lake Point School, I want to say that you are our pride and purpose. From our tiny learners in nursery to our confident young adults in class 12, you remind us every day why education matters and why it is so important. So, dream big, work hard, and always remain grounded in your values. The performances you are about to witness this evening are a reflection of discipline, teamwork, creativity, and confidence. The qualities that define the spirit of Lake Point School. As the lights brightens the stage and the young talents unfold their brilliance, let us remember that the true success of a school is measured not only by the ranks and not only by the trophies, but by the lives it shapes and the values it instills in the students. May this evening be filled with joy, inspiration, and celebration. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.